All right, this is another Disney plan. Disney is set up to test 112 to 116 from here. You know, it's set up to make a good move. The question is, does the stock continue to perform? Today's action is giving us a good signal, in my opinion. I talked about this before when Disney was rallying but was failing to show the power in this area. And I said this needs to get back, unless this gets above 106.25, and it did that today, right? And it pulled back. We got some good volume, and we let it relax, and you can see we relaxed at 106.08. So here's a new plan I have. I think that if this can continue to show the power, this could be a good idea here. These February 17 110 calls. Disney is slow, but you know, it could do pretty well with this plan here, and make a good move into earnings if it performs well. We'll see what it does here with this confirmation point. So Disney is set up to test 112 to 116. The February 17 110 calls are trading well. I want to show that after. So Disney's to break above 107 on some good action volume to confirm. Good action volume is 1 million on a 10-minute chart. If the volume is less than that, okay, I didn't write that down. Basically, what we're going to do is watch this base above 107 and look for power towards 107.5. Okay. You know, this needs to start continuously showing some volume and power. But this is okay volume today, but we need to continue to show that power now that we have formed a pattern, consolidated. It's in an action zone, but we lack momentum. And the stock needs to show the momentum. Let's go take a look at the options, people. So here I'm at the Yahoo Finance. I have the February 17 options up for Disney, and you can see here there's a lot of action happening between the 105s and the 110s. Lots of I mean, look at this. There was a lot of trading happening for the 110 calls for Disney. Okay, a lot of open interest. It's the highest for the 110s, and right now you can see the options are $1, and this is a very tight spread. Look at that, 2-cent spread. Look at this. Look how tight the spread is. That means that there's a lot of action happening. So this stock could make some good. If it's made a good move, these options could make some big profits. Our earnings, I think, are February the 7th, so there's plenty of time, and these options give it plenty of time to make a good move, a good earnings possible run anticipation. I mean, they've been doing pretty good, right? So here's the 110 calls, and they're trading at $1.40. When it triggers, it could be about $1.80. You know, plus or minus 20. You know, could be $1.80 to 2 points. You gotta wait for confirmation to see what happens, but that's an estimation. It could be less, 180 to $2, we'll say. So this is where the options are trading, and this is the close for today of January. This is based on January the 3rd close, as Disney is at 106. So these are the 110 calls people could use. If you want to use the 105 calls, one could use the 105 calls in the money. You know, more expensive, but if you like to use these 110s, these could do pretty good. You know, 100% on the low end to 300% on the high end. So Disney here just needs to confirm. I like to see some good action volume as we break 107, if not some basing above 107, and look for a power push through 107.5. You know, the stock has finally showed us some power after a consolidational period here. I think this is a double pattern here that is formed, but we are lacking is momentum. This was a good move, but we should have some good action. You know, constantly good action happening in the stock. And increasing volume as we come along. I mean, the stock is not overbought anymore, and this really doesn't matter that it's over, even if it's an overbought zone. But it is ready now to I think to make a good move if it can show us the power and it can confirm in those areas, and looking good in those areas. You know, this could be a good buy with these February 17 110 calls if people want to use those. Of course, the 105 calls are trading well. So you've got those two. Lots of action happening in these calls, as you could see today. So there you have, people, the Disney plan. Thanks for listening. Like the video. Oh, by the way, actually, if you like these plans, I forgot to say this here. If you like these plans, don't forget to subscribe to my Power Target Trades YouTube channel. You're going to see an easy way to do that is you're going to see the Sandro Power Trigger Trade symbol. It's going to appear around here. It's going to come in a circle like this. Simply click on that to automatically subscribe. Also, if you want, check out my website here. There's a great video, some great information about my, what I do on my website here. What you do is you click on this link. And when you click on that link, it'll bring you to my powertargettrades.com website. You can see this nice banner here. It has that nice animation in the background, pretty cool. But what's the key here is this here. See this? Oh, nice. This nice plan that made 300% gains in Google, and these are with weekly options. The Apple option is 200% gains. That was with the January 20 calls we had used, I believe, in that plan. Check out this video. Come to the website, check out this video. I show the option plans from the what they cost and then what they were worth at the exiting price. So, and I documented that in this video. So check that video out on powertargettrades.com. And again, give me 1 second here. So look for the subscribe button, the Power Target Trades in a circle, the Sandro. Click on that, automatically subscribe. If you have a problem, just come here manually and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for listening. Like the video.